Hi guys, it's me, Caitlin.
And I'm Connor, and today we're going to make another famous kitchen house.
So today we're going to be making wings and using, last video we used the oven, but this time we're using a new air fryer.
So this is our air fryer.
This is the air fryer that we're using. You don't have to use oil. It's just an air fryer using. It's super cool. We make a lot with it. You can make French fries, wings, mostly about almost everything that you fry or boil. It's really cool. We found it this at Costco, and today we're gonna be using it to make some wings. So this is our raw wings, and we're gonna cook it using that air fryer. So guys, this is our air fryer out of the box. It's really amazing. Here you can set all the time and temperature, and this is where you put all your things. You can put raw stuff in here and it'll cook by itself. My assistant, Connor, is gonna put the wings in this air fryer so it can cook. So put it. Put it on one layer. One layer means just put it like they can't be stacked on top of each other. Just lay it flat. Now we're gonna season it with some salt and pepper. So now it should look about this, like this, when you're done glazing. Now we're gonna put it in the air fryer, connected. So guys, once you plug it in, it should look like this with that button, and it should beep a few times. You press this button, and this is where you change the temperature. This is the timer. So you have to set this to 400 degrees, and the timer should be 15 minutes. 15 minutes, and then we press this button to make it start. And now it's air frying. So now we're going to cut it. My assistant helper is going to help me cut the fries. And if you're a kid, you should always have adult supervision. They don't have to look perfect like actual French fries like these, but it's okay because it's homemade and DIY and easy. So you need some sort of oil so it doesn't burn in the air fryer. So technically this kind of does need oil for some recipes. So now we're waiting for the wings to be done, and our fries are going to be set aside. We're going to work on our barbecue sauce. So we need a bottle. We're not going to use a whole bottle. It depends how much you're going to make. And yeah. And this is the barbecue sauce we're going to use. Now we're going to squirt some in this empty bowl.
Someone's burning.
So this is all the barbecue sauce we're going to need, because how much we're going to make. We're going to flip them around because the other side probably hasn't been cooking that long. So we're going to flip them around and then put them in the air fryer one more time for 5 more minutes. So guys, it's been 5 minutes and this is what it looks like. It looks very delicious. So now we're gonna take our barbecue sauce that we put aside and we're gonna put it in. So guys, we have our wooden spoon and now we're gonna mix it. You can add more barbecue sauce if you like. So we got our fries that we put set aside and we're gonna put it in the air fryer now. So now our fries are done and we just put it on this plate and now we're going to eat. I'm gonna try that.
I'll try this one.
This is good. Crispy.
I like the fries.
Please like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Caitlin's Kitchen House. If you subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be one of the first to see all our videos. And